This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it.
Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis. Thursday, January 25th, 2024. We do have a news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Let's start with the daily affirmation. I see it and understand it. It's a disciplined, rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And what I see is swing highs and lows. The two equity indices, Nasdaq on the left, swing high right here, swing high right here for the S&P 500 E-mini, and swing low right here on the dollar. So that's the daily charts on the big three. Now I want to go to the ES mini where I trade, and let's look at the levels right now. Next chart. ES mini 15-minute benchmark. So what I'm looking at here is the PM low from prior day coming in at 48.94, and this 4-hour fair value gap was a few days ago where we had a real bullish level, and we never repriced it until yesterday at the close, and we got right into the consequent encroachment of the 4-hour fair value gap right here, 48.94. So that's a meaningful level. What I'm looking for here also, New York Midnight Open 48.97 and London Open 49.50. So these are the levels right here. We talked about that 4900 possibly being hit prior day, but it wasn't until really at the end of the day. So here we are coming up. What do we have above here? We have a downside fair value gap where if we go above this consequent encroachment, what I want to see is that the bodies of the candles do not breach, at least on the 4-hour level, this 4-hour gap, and that is a 49.09 zone. So I'll be watching the news again. 8:30 comes in right here, right at the beginning of the New York AM session, and then my setup time will be the silver bullet hour. But I'm looking again to see here a possible revisit of the PM low prior day if it does get rejected here on the 4-hour value gap that we just left from prior day afternoon. And then if we retrace back to this consequent encroachment, yeah, there's a good shot we test 48.94, and if that breaks, then we reprice the whole thing at 48.88 and change, or a little bit lower. So these are the levels. I will point out 48.85 was really an important level, as was 85.75. That was January 23rd and 22nd. So there you have it. That's it. I'm just looking at these levels for structure and these big higher time frames, 4-hour value gap. The one in the yellow here, a little brighter, that's a volume imbalance, and you can see we did a lot of time in London in consolidation, repainting that volume imbalance on the 4-hour. So that looks like, again, will be a key area if we're going to go above or below the London Open. So there you have it. That is the 15-minute benchmark. Take care. Shout out to the OG subscribers, and I want to really welcome all the new 2024 subscribers. Thank you so much. Aloha. Bye.